Founded in 1997, Diana has grown to become Vietnam's largest hygienic product supplier. Acquired by Unicharm in 2010, it now owns over 30% of the hygienic product market share and is growing at a rapid rate of 40% per year. Despite this rapid growth, Diana's faced some major challenges in its supply chain management system. Throughout our video, we'll explore some of these challenges, starting with a customer and our old friend, Ginny. This is Ginny. Ginny is 82 years old and now needs to wear hygienic diapers as a part of her daily life. As Ginny goes down the aisle, she stumbles upon a product called Karen. Karen is a Diana product introduced in 2008 with a respectable reputation in Vietnam. She therefore decides to pick up these diapers and as she exits the supermarket, she starts asking herself things like, how did these diapers get into my hands? How are they created? The first step in our supply chain is finding the materials needed to create our product. By combining synthetic fibers, soft durable sheets, adhesive tape, and high quality lace, we can make a diaper. Once we've gathered our raw materials, we head to the manufacturing system, the second part of our supply chain. Just like most modern factories originating from Italy, this system can produce up to 5 billion pieces per year. Karen is made in 3 steps. Step 1, the tissue is being crushed at the pulp to create polymer particles, which are super absorbent, and this is the core of the diaper. Step 2, different types of synthetic fibers and soft durable sheets are being cut and adjusted to cover the core parts of the diaper. This is extremely important as these materials create a sense of softness to human skin, preventing any irritations or allergic reactions. Finally, the last step consists of attaching adhesive tape and high-quality lace to the diaper. Once completed, the product will be transferred through an automatic system to be packaged. The automatic conveyor system assures the quality and hygiene of the product. After being stored at the warehouse, our product is then transported through Diana's main distributors in both North and South Vietnam. Diana distributes firstly to 64 provinces, then transports the product to over 30,000 retailers across the country. These retailers include supermarkets, shops, and local stores. Another important part in this process is the use of a third-party logistics partner called Gemedet. To date, Gemedet has faced little to no distribution challenges with Diana's products across southern Vietnam. This is partly thanks to its excellent warehouses and transportation systems. A key part to successfully implementing a supply chain system includes utilizing modern technology to create an information hub. Data is collected at the center of the system and shared between each department. These departments include the supplier, manufacturer, distributor, retailer, and finance. This is an essential system as it provides up-to-date information in real time, reducing errors and increasing efficiency. The main benefits range from increased revenues due to less stock outages to an increase in the company's cash flow. In 2013, the Bac Ninh factory burnt down. This caused massive damages to Diana as a company. They faced a loss of their production material estimated at over $10 million, and this is excluding the revenue in the following 3 months. Due to this, Diana has to shift all their manufacturing process to their second factory in Hanoi, increasing the pressure on this plant and decreasing its productivity. Following the first incident, Diana then faced a second fire. This time it was at its warehouse in Binh Thuy, Hanoi. Fortunately, the warehouse capacity was not too large, resulting in a maintainable system. According to news statistics, the total damages on the products are still worth billions of Vietnam dong. The cost of damages set aside, Diana still faces a heavy transportation cost, a warehouse overflow, and a lost connection between manufacturers and distributors. As a result, Unicharm Diana have to transport their products across longer distances, from the manufacturer to distributor. This causes higher transportation costs, and when facing these problems, Diana will have to find another warehouse, once again raising their costs. Mr. Diana and his partners have gathered around the debris of the fire to discuss the terrible inconveniences caused by this incident. First up is the standstill of the raw materials. The materials are piling up at the suppliers' warehouses, rising the cost to stock them. With the delay caused by the fire, the suppliers then face a challenging situation where they have to not only keep stock of the materials, but also maintain the quality of each ingredient once again raising the cost. This then creates a domino effect. Diane is unable to manufacture, resulting in a lack of stock for the distributors, retailers, and finally customers. As a result, the customers often turn to competitor products as they require an alternative to meet their needs. Then came the burning of Hanoi's transshipment warehouse. When the warehouse burnt down, the two most affected players in the supply chain were the factory and distributor. The problem is that they must restructure their manufacturing, warehousing, and distribution to continue to operate efficiently. This is extremely expensive and requires many hours of work. When the warehouse burnt down, they have to change the plan by adjusting the quantity manufactured. Besides quantity, which needs to be recalculated, timing is also a problem. The factory has to plan again their production time, and distributors have to deliver goods faster to avoid being out of stock. As a result, the cost of restructuring will increase dramatically.